Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to export contacts from iPhone to your Gmail. So how do you actually export your contact from your iPhone to your Gmail account? It's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do is this. I want you to go to your settings. So let's go to my settings now. As you can see, this is the settings on this iPhone. What I want you to do here, I want you to back up this phone first. That is the first thing you want to do. You want to make sure your contact is already backed up on this iPhone to your iCloud. So how do you do this? If you check the upper side, you're going to see where they wrote your name. So that is your Apple account. I want you to tap on that name. So once you tap on that name, it will bring up this page for you. So on this page, I want you to look for iCloud and tap on it. So once you tap on the iCloud, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, I want you to do two things, just two things on this page. So the first one, I want you to scroll a little bit down. So you're going to see where they wrote iCloud backup. I want you to tap on that iCloud backup. So once you tap on that iCloud backup, make sure this iPhone is turned on. Backup this iPhone is turned on. That means your contact is backed up to your iCloud. So what you want to do now, you want to go back, then you want to scroll up, then you want to tap on saved to iCloud. Tap on that. Once you tap on saved to iCloud, I just want you to scroll down and look for contact. Make sure contact is turned on. Once it shows green, that means it is turned on. Then you want to go back to the settings home page. As you can see, this is the settings home page. So the next thing I want you to do here, I want you to scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. So once you tap on apps, I want you to go to the search bar and search for search for contact and search for contact. So once you search for contact, tap on contact. So once you tap on contact, it will bring out another page for you. On this page, I want you to tap on contacts account. So once you tap on the contacts account, it's going to bring up this page for you. On this page, I want you to tap on add account. So once you tap on add account, I want you to select Google on here. So once you select Google, it's going to ask you to put in your Gmail, everything, and you log in. And once you log in successfully, it will bring you back to this page. On this page, you see something like Gmail on here once you log in. So I want you to tap on that Gmail. So guys, it will bring you to this page. So on this page, what you just want to do is this. You just want to make sure you turn on everything that you have here. Once you turn them on, the contact on this device will be synced, will be saved to your Gmail successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually export your contact from your iPhone to your Gmail account. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.